It's True Detective here with a product review of the ELGATO WAVE. And it was the Black Friday sale for this, so I got them for quite the cheap price. For the streamers and the studio people out there. These panels you see on the background there, they're quite big of size. These panels you see on the background there, you can attach them to each other in these funny combinations. But do they actually work? Do they affect the sound of the room in any way? What I can say is that yes, they actually do. They affect the sound of the room. It sounds more right now in here like it would sound in a listening room for the hi-fi people. But it's not quite there. So don't expect that just these will transform your whatever room it is into a home studio. It will sound much better. What I like most about these acoustic panels though is how they look. And as an element for my studio, I think this was a really great addition for the price, because now was the Black Friday sale. And it was the Black Friday sale for this, so I got them for quite the cheap price. So the reason why we want some dampening like this in the walls, in a studio space where we use our voice especially, is to reduce echo, to make it sound more tight. If you want that tight voice, that voice that sounds like it was made in a professional space, it eliminates some of the reflections that come from the walls. But if what you have in mind is more of a listening situation, then understand that these type of panels, they might not reduce reflections of bass frequencies, the lower frequencies that are, for example, in music. ELGATO WAVE acoustic panels. I hope you enjoyed this little introduction and review of this, and you're gonna hear the effect that these have in my future episodes. And as a last note, if you combine panels like this with a reflection shield for a very nice mic like this one, I think this will take my production to the next level in there. Thanks for watching this video.